Hello, YouTube. Let's talk about some stocks. The first stock that we have, this is paper trading that I did back at October 30th. And just kind of show how things can go south, especially if you let things get emotional. So the first stock I'm going to talk about is MGI. So Actually, this is October 27th. My bad. I've got my dates off. It was October 27th. My correction there. So, the stock was spiking early morning. Started going up. And just as the market opened, I bought in at, I bought 10,000 shares at $4.95. $4.95, 10,000 shares as it was going up. So I got in and I got in at 10,000 shares cost me $49,500. All right, so then I got out of the stock when I sold. I went long, sold the stock at $5.44, which that gave me a balance of $54,400. Now this is a paper trading account, and I'm traded about half of what they give you. They give you $100,000 to trade with, which is imaginary money. So that trade, I had a gain of $4,900. Okay, but this wasn't a penny stock. This is a real stock that that was spiking. I mean, $49,000, $49,500 is quite a bit of money for people. That's more than a year's salary for some people. Some people it's not more than a year's salary. Some people make a lot more. But anyway, okay, so right there I had a gain of $4,900. Okay, so the stocks dipped and it went back up during the day, and I don't have a snapshot of that, but it went back down. And I had bought in at 533, 1,000. Let's see. Well, let's go to the next screen. Okay, so I bought in. This is my paper trading screen, where my orders for my paper trades. Paper trading in E-Trade, eTrade.com will be yellow. So you know you are in a paper trading account. And I'm a little more aggressive with the paper trading because I know it's fake money. Probably shouldn't be. I probably should trade like it's the real thing, but it's just the way I am. So I bought 5,000 shares at 533 because I was expected to spike more than what it did. But then the price started dropping, and it took me a while to get out of it. I started trying to dump the shares, and I finally got out at 513. So, when I bought at 533, that was 26,650. But then, when I got out of 513, that brought my balance down to 25,650, which was an $1,000 loss, really, is what that was. So my previous gain was $4,900, so that loss dropped my gain for the day to $3,900. So there was another stock that caught my eye, and that was TRUP. So TRUP had been spiking too, going up a pre-market. And I got in pretty quick after the market opened. And what happened with TRUP, after I got into the stock, it started dropping fast. I mean, this was just dropped. And this was all because of hype. People bought in because of hype to start out with. So here's how it went down. I got in at 1,000 shares at $82 a share. Right here's my buy order. 1,000 shares at 82. Limit to open. So I was buying like with extended hours. Then when the stock started dropping, I started trying to dump my shares. I couldn't get out till about 7,307. So that dropped that was a loss. My buy-in was at $73,780 is what I bought in at. And then, no, actually I'm wrong. My buy-in was at $82,000. My bad. Let's get on track here. The buy-in, I had $82,000 invested. That was a 1,000 shares of $82 per share. When I sold, trying to dump the stock, it got down to 7,307. So that was $73,780, which brought me to a loss of $8,220 on that one trade. So if you go back and you see how it was dropping so quick, I mean, it'll fall like a darn rock dropped off a cliff is what it'll do. It's just like you just fall off the cliff. The RSI, the volume weighted average, VWAP was going down. MACD was going down. RSI was going down. If you look down here, actually, I've got it covered up. Trust me, it was going down. It looks like this other side right here, the way that was going down. So, anyway. So the lesson here, that was 8,220 loss. So that for the total for the day, before lunchtime, I had a loss of $4,320 paper trading. This is a good example on how quick you could lose money, especially if you're spending money, or if you're trading money that you don't need to be spending. You need to pay your light bill, buy your groceries, for the week, all kinds of stuff. So, I mean, that's a pretty substantial loss. I mean, 4,320, and that's within just a matter of minutes that I incurred that loss on this paper trade. So that's a prime example. If you get in here and you get on the wrong side of the trades, how bad things can get, and how quick it can go bad. Because this was all early morning trading that I did. Just wanted to give this example because I was playing around. I was being more aggressive because it was paper trading. And I really didn't care if I made a loss. I mean, I did, but I didn't because it wasn't real money. It wasn't going to really affect me. So I was just going to see if I was a little bit aggressive, how I could do. And, well, I didn't do so hot for that one day. So, anyway, again, this was like 10/27/2020 when I was doing this, playing with the paper trading. This is my E-Trade Pro screen, by the way. So when I paper trade, I look at the charts on E-Trade Pro. I'm looking at the bids go through as things were progressing. The the paper trading will work as real time if you're running a paper trading during the normal hours. You can turn on extended trading hours if you so desire. So it'll work just like real-time trading, but you're not risking your own money. And you can try a strategy just to see how you do. And the thing about this, it gives you a chance to sit down, watch some charts, look at some stocks, get the feel of how stocks will run, and practice trading without risking your own money. And then when you feel comfortable that you're starting to make a profit consistently, doing the trades, then progress actually trading your real money. So I'm not suggesting you buy into these stocks. This is just an example I put up, just showing how quick you can lose money. So let me emphasize, I am not a stock advisor. I am not a financial advisor in any way. This is an activity that I do, something I'm interested in, something I do on a weekly basis. Is I keep small positions on the stocks. These are fairly large positions. I mean, the amounts that I've traded, I ended up between $50,000 and $80,000. That's a pretty good big amount of money. And sometimes, if you've got more invested, you can really gain a lot quicker if you have more invested, but you can also lose a lot quicker too. And to me, you're probably safer using smaller amounts of money and take small gains and let them add up. You're being a lot wiser by doing that. So let me stress that. But again, I'm not advising anybody to buy any of these stocks. This is the way the stocks happen. The stock action was going on 10/27/2020, and like I said, I was being a little more aggressive since I was paper trading, and then it ended up a big loss. And I thought, well, this is a good example of how quick you could lose money in the stock market if you really don't trade scared. So, that being said, always remember, that was my slide there for where I bought in at 82 and sold for 73.08. And if you don't do the math, stop the video, do the math, because that's a pretty good loss. $8,220 is a pretty good loss. If it hadn't been paper trading, boy, I wouldn't have been happy. It'd been a bad day. So yeah, your small gains is the key. Trading long is the game that I usually play. Short's a little risky for me, for my blood. I might try shorting stocks sometime in the future, but right now it intimidates me too much for me to even try it. So, okay. Always remember, to trade smart, trade scared, trade informed. Do your own research on the stocks. Don't take anybody's word, like my personal word about the stock. Do your own research about the stocks. Go look at the charts. See if there's any news. See if it's a real company. See if they got a website. All the stuff. Just make sure this company's legit. Just to protect yourself, okay? And never invest more money than what you're willing to lose. That is a big one. Because, like I just demonstrated, you could lose a lot of money in a very short amount of time. I mean, you just might as well burn it. Because it's gone once it's gone. Anyway, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you come by again. Check out some of my other videos. I'd love for you to smash the like button. And remember, just be smart. Use your head. And it may form your own opinions. Don't take somebody else's word before you trade stock. But again, thanks for coming by and watching my video, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye. Hey, thanks for coming by. Glad you checked out the video. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please click on the like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.